Today, Mr. Harris, our MLA and our youth leader Nalpad, usually every year they conduct iftiar at the time of Ramzan. I wish not only iftiar at the time of Ramzan, Harris and Nalpad they conduct for Christians a separate function at the time of Christmas. For Hindus at the time of Ugadi, they both will call all the leaders and they will conduct functions like this only. I congratulate once again Mr. Harris and Nalpad for all these things what they are doing for the interest of public.
Sir, efforts are made to disturb the communal harmony. Provocative statements like halal budget and like these statements
halal,
in the public.
Hijab, Jatka cut, all people they went to shed. Public rejected them.